Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe in corona times and using masks and washing your hands and keeping social distance to keep yourself and your family safe. Thank you for all the love that you guys have shown to my previous videos. I'm really thankful, and I'm trying to make better videos without fumbling a lot in them. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Today's video is about my favorite products from Sally Hansen, like the bases, nail hardeners, and the top coats that I got from Sally Hansen. This is not a paid video, by the way. I got all these products with my own money, and you can buy them too if you like them and if you want to try them. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I wanted to show you the latest product that I got from Sally Hansen. This is the no chip top coat. You can see. Yeah, this is my recent purchase from Sally Hansen. I love to use proper top coats that are out there, which can the top coat changes the game how your nail look after doing a nail art. Because if your top coat is not good, your entire nail art can go in vain. All the hard work that you have put in making the nail art, it will go in vain. Because आपने कई बार देखा होगा कि जब आप नेल आर्ट कर लेते हो एंड उसके बाद जब आप उस पर टॉप कोट लगाते हो, कई बार वो ब्लीड करने लग जाता है. द कलर इट ब्लीड्स अ लिटिल, और कभी वो जल्दी से सूखता नहीं है टॉप कोट, और आपका नेल आर्ट इवेंचुअली ख़राब हो जाता है. It has happened with me several times, so I try to discover good top coats out there. I'm even willing to spend a little more on them, so that I can make my nail art look good after I have मैंने इस पर मेहनत करी है, उसको अच्छा बनाने की कोशिश करी है. सो अगर वो नेल आर्ट सिर्फ एक टॉप कोट की वजह से ख़राब हो जाए, वो मुझे नहीं चाहिए. एंड आई रियली वांट के चाहे कितना पैसा लगा लो बट नेल आर्ट अच्छा दिखना चाहिए. Okay, so let's talk about this. Okay, this is Sally Hansen No Chip Top Coat. It's advanced formula for glossy, long-lasting protection. Yes, it does have glossy effect. With one single layer of this top coat, your nail art would look amazing. It has a very gel-like effect on the nail, and it makes it stand out. Somehow it makes it stand out, and I love that. I'll be sharing the swatch of this one at the end of the video, so do watch it. Okay, so America's #1 nail brand, I'm sure they are really good. Okay, so how it works, our acrylic top coat gives you glossy, chip resistant protection. The results, a super smooth, high shine manicure that lasts. Apply one coat over dry nail color. Yes, this is the most important thing you have to remember. You have to apply the top coat only on the dry nail polish. अगर आपकी nail art या फिर nail polish गीली है अभी भी, एंड उसके ऊपर जब आप nail art के ऊपर जब आप top coat लगा लेते हो, तो वो ख़राब हो जाएगा. बिकॉज आपकी ये टॉप कोट बहुत जल्दी सूख जाता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये इट्स अ क्विक ड्राइंग वन. सो अगर नीचे का बेस गीला रह जाता है और ऊपर का जो टॉप कोट है वो जल्दी सूख जाता है, तो उससे आपकी नेल आर्ट में चिप्स आते हैं, क्रैक्स दिखने लग जाते हैं, एंड लिटिल बबल्स आर आउट देयर विच मेक द नेल आर्ट लुक रियली बैड. एंड आई रियली होप दैट यू गाइज डोंट वांट टू see all that on your hard work. Then it does make your the second claim is that it makes your manicure last longer. Yes, with single use you can have your manicure last about 7 days. That was the longest my manicure lasted with this one. But I change them like every other day. So yeah, just to test it out, I let it be there for a week, and it did actually last. And I love its bristle. The applicator is so soft and it drags on your nail very smoothly without damaging the color of the nail polish or the nail art, you know, craft that you have done on it. Whether you use acrylic paints or glitters or anything, uh, it does look good on everything, you know, it makes them look beautiful. But the one problem that I had with this one was when I used it over some chunky glitters that I recently got from Amazon. I've already shared the link, I've already shared the video about that with you guys, so do watch it. uh, those glitters, they started bleed, you know, underneath this one, which was a little disappointing. I don't know what it, like, it has never made my any nail art bled, even acrylic colors, you know, कोई भी bleed नहीं किया. But that chunky glitter, they just, you know, gave off all their color, and पूरी की पूरी nail art मेरा, it was looking very reddish, you know, very weird color it was there. And so if you guys are using cheap quality, yes, it was cheap, by the way. It was just 320 350 rupees glitter. So if you guys are using the local glitters or the cheap glitters, this might make them bleed. Maybe it's because of the poor quality of those glitters, or maybe because this has something I'm not able to figure out. I'll be using those glitters with some other top coat to find out if it was happening with this one, or only the glitter is not good. Maybe let's find out. The second product that I'm going to talk about is the Sally Hansen 18 karat gold nail hardener. I got these when my nails started chipping and they became a little brittle after, you know, using too much of um, nail polish remover and nail polishes and nail art products on the nails. You know, बार बार मैं change करती रहती हूँ. Every second or third day I change. So it can, you know, make your nails a little delicate and a little, you know, damage prone. So I advise not to do that. I try to, you know, use good nail art products and good nail polishes to, you know, prevent all kind of damage, but it happens sometimes. So such products, they help in, you know, regaining the strength, giving it to my nails and making them stronger again. So this one has see, it has very nice gold glitters in it, and it does not have real gold, just gold dust. The brand says real 18 karat gold shield locks in moisture and strengthens nails. Very big claim. Instantly nails feel stronger, harder and more durable. Okay, sure. It's strength treatment range. What it is, a breakthrough gold infused strengthener that treats and beautifies nails in one step. Okay, how it works: real 18 karat gold formula instantly hardens and fortifies nails to prevent breaking, chipping and splitting. The gold shield forms a protective barrier to lock in moisture. Sure. Stronger, harder nails that look luminous, glowing and beautiful. This is the result, according to them. To use, can be worn under nail color and or alone for pure gold strength. Okay, so first of all, it does not have real gold in it. So if you guys are thinking that you are getting real gold in this one by at this price, you know, I got it for $3.95, but the price mentioned on the bottle is $4.60, but I got it on discount at $3.95. By the way, the cost of the no chip top coat is $3.49 for 13.3 ml. This one is also, this is 10 ml, by the way. Okay, so it does not have real gold. Yeah. So okay, let's get back to it. It does not have real gold, of course, and then, yeah, I've said it so many times now. Okay, so this works as a base coat, but it does not, instantly harden your nail, or say goodbye to the chips and the cracks. It covers them. That's it. It covers them, and I got it thinking that it might, 45 my nails and make them strong, but it works as, a little in a different way. It does not have any nutrients that will protect your nail. It does not have any such nutrients in it, but it covers the nail chips and it covers the nail cracks, so that your nail is not damaged further. If you already have cracks and chips in your nail, using this is not going to make them disappear completely. It will cover them with a smooth layer, so that you can use nail polishes over that layer, and it does not look chipped from top after applying the nail polish. ये बस आपको आपके nail को बस cover करेगा और उसकी सारी chips को छुपा देगा, but it will still be visible if you don't apply any nail polish on it. So I suggest that you cut off your nail a little short and then apply this one regularly, because regularly in the sense, every 4 days, just replace the previous coat with this one, by removing that one and applying this one. Because most of the time when your nails are when they chip, जब उसमें क्रैक्स आ जाते हैं, चिप्स आ जाते हैं, तो जितनी बार आप पानी में हाथ डालोगे या फिर साबुन यूज़ करोगे या फिर कोई भी ऐसा केमिकल यूज़ करोगे ना, तो आपके नेल पे और ज़्यादा डैमेज होगा. सो उसको प्रिवेंट करने के लिए you use this as a nail barrier on the nail. Just apply it. 2 pots of it is more than enough, and it will help your nail to be stronger eventually. Not in single step, but eventually it will, because it works as a barrier for the external factors which might damage your nail, like the chemicals in the nail polishes, or water. Mostly water is the biggest enemy of any nail. The more your hands are into water, the more you wash your hands, which is pretty common during corona times. So applying this on your nail and keeping the nail polish away for some time can really help in adding life to your nails. So I use it as a base coat, and sometimes as it is, or sometimes as a top coat whenever I want some very delicate glittery effect on a nail polish, like the black nail polish or the red nail polish. When I want a very delicate glittery effect, so I use this one. Get it if you like it. It's not much, I'm not very impressed with this one. The claims are very high, but the effect is not that much. All I want to say is, okay, so the last one is Miracle Nail Thickener from the Strength Treatment collection. These two, both of them are in Strength Treatment collection. This is the transparent one. So this is a nail thickener, not a nail hardener, by the way. This is a nail thickener. So if you have very thin nails, very delicate nails, brittle nails, this is the thing that you guys want, same thing. I've got these two, to protect my nails, to add life to my nails, but I like this one more. This Miracle Nail Thickener is actually much better as compared to this one, the glitter 18 karat gold glitter one. This is let's talk about the product. Up to 70% thicker nails in 4 days. Results guaranteed. Instantly bonds and seals soft thin nails. Yes, it does that. It actually does that. Calcium is an essential building block mineral known to help strengthen and protect nails. It has calcium and ceramic gel. The formula is a lot different from the nail polish, because it does not have the base of the nail polish. It has a base of calcium and ceramic gel. So I'm really impressed with how Sally Hansen has come up with this kind of product. I really love it. Okay, so what it is: an advanced thickening treatment targeting soft, thin, and rigid nails. How it works: exclusive calcium and ceramic gel formula instantly seals and reinforces weak and fragile nails by building a hard defensive shield that helps protect against bending and breaking. The treatment fills in ridges and imperfections. So whatever this one is claiming, it actually does that. The ceramic gel and the calcium gel kind of combination, the formula, it helps in covering all the imperfections which are there on your nail and creating a very smooth layer on it, because once you apply this, your nails would look so beautiful, so fuller and so thicker. And it actually helps in making it beautiful. So if you guys have thin nails, if you guys um, have nails that are easily break, you guys understand what I'm talking about, right? So जो भी आपके nails होते हैं whenever you put your hands too much into water, they sometimes become very brittle. You can just easily bend it like this, and then it develops cracks over the ridges, over the corners over here, and it tends to break off. Just you can like rip it off like that. Sometimes it happens. It has happened with me several times when my nails were weak. So I started using this one. I use this one as a base first of all, and as it is as well. Whenever I don't want to apply any nail polish, I use this one just like that, just to cover my nails and protecting them from any external factors, any moisture or anything that might damage my nails. So just 2 coats of it, and my nails are they're pretty much happy, pretty much strong and nice. There are no chips, there are nothing to damage the nails. Also this one works well with the nail polishes that might cause pigmentation on your nails. So you can use it as well if you guys have any nail polish which makes your nails yellow, or there is any discoloration caused due to nail polish or any nail art product. You can use this one, and it will really help you guys have a stronger and more good nails. So let's move on to seeing them up close and personal. So let's see how all these three work on the nail. Yeah, so these really look cute. Sally Hansen does know how to pack their stuff. This one is the no chip top coat. This one is the 18 karat gold hardener. This one is Miracle Nail Thickener. Okay, so let me show you the no chip top coat first. Packaging is so pretty, so nice, and small bottle. I really love how it looks, so pretty. Okay, let me show you this on my nail. It is very smooth and glides so nicely, covering the entire nail, and really looks very shiny. I love how this one works. I have already used it a couple of times, although it says no chip, but it does chip on your nail after a couple of days. It does chip, and but I have figured out why it does that. Whenever I apply the nail polish on whenever I apply this top coat on a nail polish which is still a little damp, a little wet, and it has not dried up properly. When I apply this, the nail polish does tend to chip a little. It does develop a little cracks on the sides and underneath the top coat. So I suppose it shrinks down the nail polish, and I don't know exactly the reason why it does that, but maybe because the nail polish is a little wet, so whenever it dries down underneath the top coat, it tends to crack instead of settling down on the nail properly. So I will suggest that you guys try to make sure that your nail polish is dried up properly before applying the top coat. Same goes for nail art as well. If your nail art has you are using acrylic paints or any other nail polishes, make sure that it has dried up properly, and then you apply the top coat, otherwise it'll chip. Yeah. And it does make your nail polish stand out. It gives a very nice gel kind of glow to it. It shines a lot. It does make it look really nice. I love to use it on my nail polishes which have chunky glitters in it, or whenever I use chunky glitters or such particles for nail art, it helps them to smooth down underneath and make it look even. So I love using it, and it is a good one. Okay, so let's talk about the another one. Okay, this is 18 karat gold hardener. It claims that it has 18 karat gold, but I think it's just glitter or dust in it, gold dust in it. Obviously they won't give you 18 karat gold at this price, so whoever believes them, please don't. Okay, I got these this one and the thickener one when my nails were they started to chip and they became very brittle. So I got these to help them to be strong. It has nothing in it which can make your nail be stronger. However, when you apply this as a base, it does help to cover all the chips and to protect your nail from the external factors or the damaging chemicals most of the nail polishes have. So if you want to go about your day with no nail polish on your nails, I will suggest that you apply this. 2 or 3 coats of this is more than enough, and it will help your nail to be protected from water and such factors that often damage the nail. So whenever I don't apply any nail polish, I make sure that I have this one or this one, the Sally Hansen Miracle Nail Thickener, on my nail. So let me show you how. You can see I have already used half. So yeah, first of all, you remove this cap. Some of us, like I did that. I tried to open it with the cap on, and it took me a while to figure out that you have to remove this cap and then use the nail polish or the this top coat. Okay, it has cute glitters in it which I really love. See, they really look good, and I mostly use it as a base or sometimes as a top coat on some of my nail polishes. I'll try to show you on my pinky finger so that you can see all the glitters. Yeah, I use it as base as well as a top coat sometimes whenever I want some very few glitters, and so that it look good, it look decent and nice. You can apply as many coats to bring out the color. I don't think it is showing in the camera, but it has it looks very smooth. But the thing is, this one doesn't dry up with the with a shiny effect on the nail. It looks a bit matte, very slightly matte, not very shiny. So if you're thinking to use the 18 karat gold hardener as a top coat to get the shine, it will not give you. Okay. Yeah. This is a very cute, pretty base and a glittery top coat. That's it. And still, I'm trying to show you, but it's not coming in the camera. Yeah. Okay. This is this, like, let me try to show you on the brush if it picks up. Yeah, can you see? It's picking up on the brush. Yeah, they're so pretty. Okay. This can work well as a base, and that's it. Yeah, this is a very nice base. It will protect your nail from water and any external factor that might damage it. So use it if you don't have any good bases. It's not a mandatory product. You know, you can have other nail hardeners which are available in the market and available with Sally Hansen, which are much better than this one. This is just a pretty looking base coat for me. Okay, so it's time for the nail thickener, the Miracle Nail Thickener. No, it does not have any kind of miracles in it. It is another cute, not cute, but yeah, it's fancy base coat. You can use it as a base for protecting your nails from external factors, and as well as from it getting stained while using very high pigmented nail polishes such as yellows. Some yellows, mostly I think yellow have something with it. Whenever I use a yellow nail polish, some of them are good, like the one that I got from Faces. It didn't, it didn't stain my nails. Faces Canada, it didn't stain my nail. But most of the nail polishes which have yellow undertones, like some reds, oranges, some greens, which have yellow pigment in it, it does make my nails stained. They look very yellowy and orangey kind of color, which I don't like. So I use this one as a base to make sure that my nails are safe. This I have already used like 3/4 of it. Very less is there. I really love it. It's nice base. I'll show you on my thumb. It looks good. It's really smooth, and it is not like a top coat. My nails are shaking because it's, yeah. Yeah. Okay. See, I really love how it makes my nails shiny. You can see, yeah, this is so nice. It looks very nice as a base, but when you use it as a top coat, it takes forever to dry. I don't know why that happens, but it takes forever to dry. Even as a base, it takes some time to dry up, but it spreads out evenly on the nail, and it is not the formula is a bit different from the usual nail polishes. It has something in it. Maybe the reason that they have used is a bit different. It has some adhesive factors in it, which settles down on your nail very smoothly, and without leaving any cracks, or without leaving any bumps on the nails, and it looks pretty. As a base, it's perfect. It will cover your nail instantly and just be there until you remove it using a remover. It will be there underneath the nail polish, keeping your nails safe. People who have, you know, a little cracks or a little bumps on their nails naturally, they can use this one because it creates a very even layer on the nails and helps in, you know, enhancing the nail polish look as well. Your nail polish will look more even and more smooth while after using this one. Okay, so all these were my favorite, actually not so favorite, but yeah, some of them, like this one and this one, they are my favorite products from Sally Hansen. One of the favorite products actually. This one I can live without, but these two, they are really a must in my collection. This is my second bottle. I have already, you know, I'm about to finish it because I make sure that I use it every time before applying any nail polish or before doing any nail art on my bare nails, because it helps in giving a smooth shiny look, which I really love. Yeah, thank you for watching my channel, and I will try to post more videos about nail art and products that I love about nail art and nail polishes and anything that I love, and I think you can use them too. I will try to share more about them. So keep watching, subscribe, comment, and do share your comments. I would love to listen to them, and please like my videos. Thank you so much.